So hi guys, so this is an important statutory update, or in fact I can say exams November 2022 related update. Which book is applicable for November 2022 examination? This is very well known. Every examination before, institute will give you a notification like this. So like what it exactly says, just a minute. Every time institute will release somewhere in the month of November or December, sometimes even in October of every year, they release these study materials. Getting it? Which will be applicable for next May exam and even that next November exam. By the time November exam is getting completed, they will release again new materials that will be applicable for that next May and that next November. Simple. So which means 2021 November, if any material is released, that is applicable for May 2022 and as well as November 2022. So that's it. So I hope you understood. Now, so let's start from CA final itself. So for final, what are the materials that are applicable for November exams? By this time, I think material has been decided by you. Already you have taken coaching. Some of you might have already started your preparation. Logically speaking, typically speaking, this is not much important. This video you need not watch. You already aware of it. Okay, so very simple. What they are saying for FR, October 21 edition is applicable, and RTP they will be releasing for November. In that, amendments will contain, if any is there, just update that amendments. SFM October 21, advanced auditing October 2021. Especially whoever is my final students were there. Our material edition 2022 is purely developed based on October 2021. Typically speaking, for you, entire amendments are covered in the lectures which you are already following of mine, edition 2022. So typically, whoever have joined classes with me, no need to worry about this notification with respect to audit subject. Now, pronouncements, they were updated last time 2019, later on no updates at all. And the company law, if you check, like law, October 21 edition RTP and MCQ booklets January 2022 edition will be applicable. Even in audit also, January 2022 edition of MCQ booklet also launched. Getting it? Like our students, I have given already MCQ videos, right? They were based upon old edition MCQ, but remember the MCQs are exactly same. The 2022 edition MCQ booklet and old 2021 MCQ booklet edition both are same. So typically speaking, again, with respect to audit, whatever lectures that we are discussing in classroom, whatever the material that you have got is completely the latest one. Next. Coming to SFM, sorry, strategic cost, SEMPA October 2021 and case study digest and risk management, all that they have given. Almost everywhere it is same. Most noteworthy point is this one, direct taxes, October 21 edition material only. Still you'll have statutory update. Same thing will be applicable even for GST. For taxation alone, statutory update. So another additional document you need to read. Even for international taxation, you'll have that point, statutory update, because in income tax, GST, you will have more amendments. That's it. So that's about CA final. Now what about CA Inter? CA Inter students. Same, accounting, September 21 edition, especially our Sreshta students, whoever Sreshta students were there, you are already watching lectures from the latest edition, edition 2022. Now you are buying books also, that is also edition 2022 books only. Entire lectures, classes, materials, everything, whoever is Sreshta student, you're already having updated one. Okay, and RTP of number 2022 yet to be released. Once it is done, we will do videos and give to all of our Sreshta students. So now in this also, what is most important? Taxation. So our taxation material is updated one already, and RTP November attempt will come, and statutory update notification yet to come. Once it comes, we will do that as well. That's it. And MCQ case study, very recently we uploaded recordings for MCQ which are already latest again. Audit. Audit is of September 21 edition, and right now I released edition 2022 material. That's enough. And RTP, once it comes, I'll do a video. And where else major amendments will take place. That's it. That's it. Remaining all very simple. If at all you're following Sreshta materials, these are all completely updated materials which are applicable for November 2022. That's it. Like now, CA Foundation students, whoever is writing examination, for you, you will register immediately for CA Inter. For you, which material you need to follow for CA Inter? Because you are going to write in May exams. Same material you follow. In November, we will get new material. Based on that, any amendments were there, we will give amendments book, amendments videos. That's what everywhere it is possible. After writing CA foundation, do you wait up to December month to start coaching? No, right? You need to start now. New materials for May 23, when you will get? November. Until then, you can't wait for coaching, yes or no. So you need to start coaching with our existing material for sure. And foundation students, finally, so September 21, you might have got materials. So for business communication and all, some journal is there. May 2022, issue of student journal capsule, some journal is there that you need to follow. And you need to wait for RTP with respect to law paper. That's the statutory update. Okay. Then I hope you're clear with this video. So all the best. Have a nice time. Don't get tensed and all. This is just a normal notification. Even if you miss this notification, nothing to worry. Even if at all your friends are worried about that, hey, I don't know about this notification. Nothing. Tell them nothing to worry. If at all you want to share, you can share this video to them. That's it. Carry on. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.